Hello crazy crafters, this is Shell coming from you from Shell's Designs, and we're gonna make a gift box to put this baby gift that I made for my friend who just had her baby girl. Alright, hold on to your seats because here we go. Alright, so I went ahead and cut out my handle box die from the Stamps of Life, and luckily for me it coordinates with the LawnFawn spring box add-on, and so I'm going to use these pieces to decorate this box to put my friend's baby gift inside. If you'd like a tutorial on how to make these, give me like 10 thumbs up. I will make that video happen for you. But first things first, let's stamp out our images. Oh, do you know what I should have done? I should have stamped that on scratch paper first because it's kind of bubbly. Well, let's just repeat here. It's where it's handy if you have a Misty or another kind of stamping tool. Right, just stamp that little guy on some scratch paper. Now to color our little friends, I'm going to use my Touch New markers, and I'm gonna fast forward this part and put it to some music so you guys can just watch along if you like. Hit the music, maestro. Okay, I'm going to cut one of these on screen, and then all of a sudden it's just going to be magic and they're all going to be cut. Line up this edge here with this edge here. On my little door, I'm gonna put that so that when you open the door, it has a yellow behind the door. And we're gonna stick it on the house like so. I'm gonna kind of put it off to the side because I want to have one window beside it. Okay. And originally I was going to have the mama duck coming out, but look how gigantic she is. So maybe we will change that. And I was thinking of maybe having the duck on the inside of the window looking out like that. How does that look? I think that's cute. And then, of course, the feet and the tail won't be hanging out. Yes, let's do that. Add some glue onto the window. There's our duck. Originally I was thinking of having like the shower head shooting, but you're not even going to be able to see that in such a small little space. But how about we have that little duck coming out? Love it. Okay, for this one we're going to use a foam dot. Those dots I just got at Walmart. Same with the glue pen, if you're wondering where I got any of my supplies. Alright, let's plop that little guy right in there. And I think I'm going to do a window on either side and a little duck in each window. What say you? Alright, so I added my windows. And for this side, I decided not to put it inside the window like on the other side. So it kind of felt like that would have been overdone. So this little duck, I'm going to stick it on the outside here, and it's going to look like he's smelling the flowers. I'll put this to music so you can just watch me assemble, and I'm probably going to fast forward a little bit because I work slow. Alright, cue music, maestro. I think the tree just doesn't get used this time. But that's okay. It'll get saved for next time. And that is our box, you guys, that our baby gift is going to go inside. I should have measured this before I got started. These really, really cute little booties do not fit in my really, really cute little box. So what's going to happen is I'm going to put tea inside this box for our new mummy. And you could fill it with little Easter treats if you wanted. I feel like it should have like maybe a little sentiment, maybe on the roof. Let's do that really quick. Cut out a banner and I'm going to put on a sentiment. 1 second. All right, in my magic slider card is a little banner, and I cut out that banner out of white, and I'm using the sentiment set that says a new baby to love, and it fits just right on there. Lipstick. Boop. New baby to love. Oh, what do you guys think? I like that. New baby to love. And just like that, our little box is done. Again, nice little close-up. And new baby to love on the side, on this side. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed our little project today. Give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more projects like this. And subscribe if you'd like to be notified the moment I put out a new video. I like to try and get them out every Friday. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for joining.